BrittanyBearMakeup here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a little get ready with me / chit chat / life update. I have been going through a lot of things in the past week, and I want to share that with my Bear fam. I want to let you guys know what is going on in my life. So that is what today's video is all about. So guys, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you guys can be a part of my Bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which I'm hoping is over here. And keep on watching as we dive into this chit chat / get ready with me.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright Bear fans, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and do my makeup today, and we're gonna go ahead and chit chat about my life, what's been going on, what's been happening to me. I'm literally falling apart every single day, so I really wanted to come on here and share with you guys that, and also just kind of do my makeup because it's been a hot minute, so I need to feel good about myself. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you will know that I posted a couple posts saying that I had gone to the doctors, that my jaw was hurting, I had a fever, and I kind of wanted to fill you in on what's been going on with that situation. So I actually had a fever of 103. I'm using my JOUER foundation, by the way, guys. 103, which is really high. If you actually think about that, that is like they tell you to go to the emergency because you can have seizures. So I freaked out and literally like made my mom rush me to the hospital. Wow, this is really yellow. Hold on, guys. So I was on my way to the hospital, and like I said, my body was going numb. I had a really high fever. I was just hyperventilating and freaking out. And I get to the hospital, and the wait is literally 8 hours. And there's so many people in the waiting room. For me to think like I pay for health insurance and I can't even see a doctor, and I'm literally like burning up. I was crying. Fast forward later on that night, me and my mom just kind of figured that the wait was 8 hours. Might as well just go home and wake up in the morning and go back to the doctor. So that's kind of what we decided to do. My fever got a little bit more under control. It was like about 101, and I ended up just taking like a really high dosage of ibuprofen and sleeping on it. Well, the next morning I wake up to I was gonna go to the doctor just to get like a checkup because I was having this fever, and while I was waking up I could not move my jaw, and every time I move it I have this excruciating pain in my jaw where like I feel like it pops out of place, and you can literally hear it pop. It's something that I don't know what's wrong. Like I took x-rays, so I'm still kind of waiting to see what's going on. I cannot hyperextend my jaw because if I open it any more than this, it will literally pop, and it's so painful. So that is kind of like what's going on with my jaw. I still have no idea. It's really hard for me to even be doing this video, but I honestly in my heart could not leave YouTube for longer than a week. I just felt weird, and I knew I needed to get back on my channel, and I need to talk to you guys and let you know what's going on, because so many of you guys were so sweet. You left me so many messages, and you guys were just letting me know that take care of your health, girl, fix yourself, figure it out. And I definitely want to do that, but it's really hard for me to just stay at home all day. I've watched Friends probably 5,000 times in a row because I just don't know what to do with my life. All right, so I added my concealer, guys. I added a little bit of a lighter shade because I'm looking a little yellow. Taking a break from social media has just felt so like, I don't know, it really has helped me reground myself and remotivate myself. It's so easy for me to get so wrapped up in my work and sometimes just do things because I have to get them done, but I feel like it ignited more passion in me, and it made me feel and like come up with new ideas and things that I've been wanting to do, but to actually take the initiative this time and do them, which kind of leads me to what I want to talk about next. So for those of you guys who do not know, I actually started off as like a freelancing makeup artist, and doing other people's makeup has always been my passion. Like I love glamming people, I love making them feel good, and I really miss hands-on like meeting you guys and being able to give you my advice and telling you how I started, you know, from the bottom and how I worked my way to where I'm at today. So that kind of brings me to this topic of something that I'm so excited about, something that me and my boyfriend are already planning. We're making it happen hopefully very soon. I am going to be doing private makeup classes, and when I say private, I mean it's going to be a class of about 4 to 5 girls, and I'm going to be teaching you guys hands-on like how to get the most perfect application of makeup, whether you want to freelance, whether whether you just want to learn how to do makeup on yourself, you will be getting an amazing gift bag. So I'm working on getting sponsors right now to give a really, really cool gift bag. Something like that. Hold on, let me get my contouring shade. See, I'm gonna use Truffle. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is my first time using this contouring stick, so just wanted a little disclaimer. I'm gonna be using this today. We're gonna see how it works. So I'm gonna be doing these private classes, and I'm thinking that I will be doing them at least twice a month. I feel like I'm gonna start off with 2 classes a month, and then hopefully I'll start adding more classes in as I get more comfortable with it. But I'm so excited for this because I love meeting you guys. I love hearing your stories. I love helping you, and this is gonna be a really fun way for us to interact with one another, for us to just have a fun day of glam. I'm gonna talk to you guys about social media, growing your Instagram, your YouTube, how to start a business. So this is all knowledge I wanna pass down to you guys. I wanna make sure that you get that, and I'm just so excited, guys. I think you guys are really gonna like these classes. I'm probably gonna start off teaching them in the Irvine, Santa Ana area, which is where my studio is located, and then hopefully I'll be doing other venues such as like LA and just adding different places to the list. So I'm excited. I'm gonna bake my face, and then I'm gonna introduce you guys to 2 very special additions in my life. You guys are going to melt. Your heart is going to explode. So warning right now, fasten your seatbelt because what you're about to meet, you're gonna be upset. So in the meantime, I'm gonna grab my Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm going to set my face. So I'm gonna bake my face really quickly. I'm just adding it to all the same areas I typically do. You guys already know. Under eyes, bridge of the nose, my forehead, and then the lower part, just to kind of like reverse contour. By the way, if you guys are wondering what sponge this is an Elsie sponge. It's so amazing. It's literally like just as big as my head. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna quickly bronze myself. I'm gonna go into my Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm just gonna kind of warm up my face. Kind of give it a little contour. All right, Bear Fam, are you guys ready to meet my new addition to my family? This is my baby Pomeranian. This is little, I named her Maui. Say hi, Mama. Hi. And then here is my other baby. So they are actually sisters, obviously, from the same batch. I am obsessed. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that I'm constantly posting pictures of them because I literally just want to die when I see them. They're the cutest things of life. So guys, many of you are probably wondering, why does one have a name and one doesn't? Because this baby girl right here already has a new home. So she has someone waiting for her in a month. So my baby right here is leaving me. This is the one that I was supposed to also get rid of because I have too many dogs, but I just honestly can't. Like, I'm obsessed. I see them and I want to cry. They're just so cute and so fluffy. Let me know, guys, what do you think? Do you like the name Maui for her? Say hi, Mama. Your Bear Family kisses. Say hi, Bear Family. Subscribe to Mama's channel. All right, guys, I'm gonna put them to the side and I'm gonna continue my makeup. You'll probably see them at the end of this. They're gonna help me close out my video, but they just wanted to stop by and say holla for $1. All right, I'm gonna put them away and we're gonna get back to my makeup. All right, guys, so we are back in action. I put the little dogs, they're taking a mini nap. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with blush. It's Dreamsicle from Motives Cosmetics. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna use this to kind of like warm up my cheekbones, give them some pizzazz. Keeping up with all the tea that has been popping off in this beauty industry. Like, when I first started, I feel like everyone was trying to figure out what this whole social media was about, if it was long term, if you could even make it a career. And now it has gotten so crazy. To go in like more detail with that, like when I first started this industry was so different. I hate saying this, and I really do, because I honestly love to give the people like the benefit of the doubt. But there are so many people in this industry that are just so, I hate to say it, but they're really fake. Like, there's a lot of fake people in this industry. And what's sad is, like, you see them, I see them at events, and I see them and how they act with me, and they're very standoffish and they act very entitled. Then you actually like see how they interact with their fans, and it's completely different. And I just wish that people could see who they follow for who they really are. And I'm obviously not gonna say any names because that's not even in my nature. Like, I would never. It's just insane to me how so many of these people came from nothing, and the way they act is just so, it's sad. It's like, I don't even have words for it because it's really sad. I would never change who I was because of some sort of amount of fame or money. And it's just sad to see some of these younger influencers or even older influencers just act one way just because they get a good paycheck. This industry industry right now is just in shambles, and it's really sad, and I really hope and pray that it goes back to the way it was, which was like a passion for makeup and people just wanting to share beauty advice and make people feel good about themselves. And I really do hope that it transitions back into that, but we'll see. We don't know where it's going, and I need to fix my eyebrow. So I just added a couple individuals to the corners of my eyes. I kind of want to keep my makeup simple today and do like a bold lip. I haven't done that in a minute, so I'm gonna do that since it's more of like a chit chat. I got this from Fenty. This applicator, and I know this is not a makeup tutorial, but I did want to tell you guys, this is the best applicator I've ever seen in a product when it comes to like a liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. This one is called Uncensored. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the final touch to this look. Alright guys, so here is the final look of my little get ready with me. I will definitely list all the products down in the description box down below. I had so much fun talking to you guys today. If you guys want to see more videos like this and you want me to talk about personal things or maybe just things going on in general, don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know that you guys like videos like this. Also guys, I want to give a huge shout out to my girl, Danily. Thank you so much for turning on your post notifications and for always showing me love and supporting me. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, like, share, comment, and as always guys, hit that subscribe button, and I will see all of my bear family in the next video. Bye guys! There were two little babies sleeping on my hand. One is asleep and the other wants to dance. Maui, we are filming a video. The bear family came all the way. They stopped what they were doing to come meet you, and you're just gonna sleep? You're not even gonna say hi to anyone? Maui? No, baby, no, don't lie. What you gonna do when it all comes down and you don't know where you going to town? No, baby, no, don't lie. Am I that boring? Is my YouTube channel that boring that you are legitimately just sleeping through my video? You're not even gonna wake up? Hello? Maui? Yeah, it'd be nice if you woke up. Hello.